This is Sensor Studio with Sangsi Bayek bringing quick updates on the Middle East war. This is Tehran. During Israel's airstrike on Iran, Rahman Moghadam, the commander of the Revolutionary Guard's Special Operations Unit, was killed. Tehran residents are filming the massive explosions caused by tonight's airstrikes on the Iranian capital. This is Kurdistan Province, Iran. As Israeli airstrikes continue one after another, the villages have been completely devastated. This is Zanjan Province, Iran. Explosions have been reported at a missile base in the area. An aircraft was spotted flying over Shiraz, Iran. This is a US MQ-9 drone. This is North Korea, Iran. The Israeli military has carried out airstrikes on North Korea. This is Tel Aviv, Israel. An Iranian missile has landed in Tel Aviv. In Tel Aviv, Israel, air defense missiles are being launched to intercept Iranian missiles. The U.S. Central Command said Iran is indiscriminately attacking civilians with missiles and drones, but the U.S. military continues to accurately detect and destroy Iranian missile launches. Also, U.S. Secretary of War Hegseth stated that the war with Iran could last up to 8 weeks. These are Tomahawk missiles launched from the sea. The US claims it can defeat Iran mercilessly and sustain combat indefinitely. In Bahrain, footage showed Iranian drones being intercepted. Of the drones Iran launched, 941 targeted the UAE along with 8 cruise and 189 ballistic missiles. Evidence shows Russian-made Shahed drones were used in the recent attack on Dubai. The Israeli military launched airstrikes on Lebanon and killed a senior Hamas official there. In Mera, Syria, Iranian ballistic missiles were intercepted over Derek in northeastern Syria. Heavy airstrikes also continued in Tyre, Lebanon. Saudi Arabia intercepted 3 cruise missiles coming from Iran. Iran claims to have shot down an AGM-158 JASSM missile. Here is footage of an Israeli F-35 striking Iranian targets. The Israeli military announced that this morning, the Israeli Air Force carried out large-scale airstrikes targeting sites in western and central Iran. The Israeli military explained that these airstrikes were aimed at the Iranian regime's ballistic missile and air defense capabilities. This is Iraq. Fars news agency reported that a hideout used by supporters of a Kurdish opposition party in Iraq's Erbil province was attacked. An Iranian missile landed on farmland outside Qamishli, Syria. Currently, there are many reports that Kurds are entering Iranian territory, but according to confirmed information, it appears they have not crossed the border yet. It is said that Iran is pressuring Iraq to prevent the Kurds from crossing over, according to the US Central Command. Currently, the number of drones and missiles that Iran is launching toward Gulf countries or Israel has significantly decreased. It is reported that Iranian drone launches have decreased by 73% and missile launches by 86%. The US State Department has advised its citizens in Saudi Arabia, Qatar, the UAE, and Israel to leave. Iran has also attempted to attack Turkey. Canada has stated that it cannot rule out the possibility of participating in the conflict. Mark Carney, the Canadian Prime Minister, who previously criticized the US and Israel's attacks on Iran as violations of international law, has now stated that his country will support its allies. According to the United Kingdom Maritime Trade Operations, there was an attack on a merchant ship near Kuwait, which resulted in incidents such as oil spills. If there are further updates, I will make a video and upload it. This concludes the video. Thank you.